Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video. Yeah, we're here with more mods. We're trying to make the Q50 the fastest. I'm just kidding. Nah, but we got a new install today for the Q50. It got tuned if you guys didn't see in the last video, so go check that out if you guys want to see that. Also, today what we're going to be installing is a Megan Y pipe, because I was recommended by my tuner. He said that I guess it lets the turbos like just breathe better, I guess, and have way less stress or something along those lines. Because the stock piping is just way too small on these Infinitis. But hopefully it doesn't get louder, because I really don't want it to be louder. I just want to do it so it's better for the turbo, and also so it doesn't. So it's better for the turbo, and so it doesn't stress out the turbos. Because the car has a lot of miles now, so I really don't want to buy new turbos soon. But you know, it is what it is. Without further ado, let's get started. Before I install this white pipe, just a little, if you guys don't know, this car has Megan lower down pipes, just the lowers, just Megan lower down pipes, and a custom muffler delete from a local shop here. I'm gonna give you a cold start because the car has been here in the garage for a few days. So, give you a cold start. But you hear it. Hopefully it doesn't sound too different. I'm just hoping it makes it a little deeper and not louder, but alright, so there you guys heard it. Obviously first step, gonna jack up the car. So I'm gonna get this on jack stands real quick, and then I'm gonna spray down all the bolts I have to remove. Always spray down your bolts with WD-40. It makes the world of a difference. Sometimes that's what ends up saving you from ever having to like torch them off, or you end up stripping them or something. But alright, let's get this car on jacks. Alright, so I got the car on jack stands. Like I said, get yourself a can of WD-40. Start spraying all the bolts. I spray them all. Spray both sides. As you can see. So it's pretty simple. It's just gonna be those two bolts up there at the two lower down pipes. And then here at the where it all collects, just two more bolts. So it's 6 bolts in total. These ones should be easy because these are the ones that I installed with the lower down pipes, so it shouldn't be a problem. The only one that might be a problem is this one, just because this one's never been taken off. So, but it's a 2018, so it shouldn't be too bad. And I live somewhere where we don't get rust. So we live in Arizona, so shouldn't have an issue there. If you're from the East Coast, GG is my guy, because I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to torch these off. But alright, let's get to it. Alright, so here's a little update, guys. These back ones, since I've never removed those before, I had to torch them and then hit it with the wrench, because they were on there tight, and you'll strip them if you don't. And don't ask me how I know that. But I guess let me get all the bolts off. Two in the front on each side, 2 back here, and it should come all off. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but just look at the difference. Like, just look at, oh my, it looks so much different, and this actually looks so nice. I know people always hate on Megan, or Megan, I think it's Megan. But honestly, they have some quality stuff. I've rocked a lot of their stuff, And I've never had any of this stuff break, so on any of my cars. I don't know what these people be talking about, but they always hate on it just because it's like the more budget friendly one. But the lower downpipes have been completely fine. Now I'm going with the wide pipes, so I'll let you guys know about that. But I think I've had this product on the other cars also, in common with disease. I think I've had their test pipes or something, but everything's held up really nice. The quality looks pretty good, and you can't beat it for the price, honestly. All right, well, I guess last thing left to do is just throw this in and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it doesn't sound louder. I really don't want it to be louder, but it shouldn't, because there's no cats or anything here, so hopefully not. I hope it just sounds deeper, but we'll see. Hopefully no drone. But all right, let's throw this on. Oh, and before I miss this, it comes with all new gaskets. So these smaller ones are for the front, and the back ones for the rear, where it collects, obviously. It comes with all new hardware too, so you don't have to worry about buying all new gaskets. Just so y'all know, and don't go and buy new gaskets. And these ones came with the lower down pipes, and they haven't leaked on me at all. And this is probably what I would use if I would buy some. So, all right, let's get to it. That's how it looks like all installed. It's looking nice. Over here, I was a little concerned because it's like smaller, but hopefully it doesn't leak. Hopefully I don't have to buy that piece right there. I really hope not, but I guess we'll see what happens once we turn it on. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I already ran it, but I'll let y'all hear it now. We'll see how it looks or how it sounds. I just wanted to make sure there was no leaks or anything before I showed y'all. Alright, so there it is. That's how you install it. Pretty simple install. Just those bolts might be seized on there, and that's what's difficult. But I don't think it sounds any different, honestly. I think it sounds maybe... Honestly, I don't feel like I hear a difference. But hopefully I can feel a difference. But the only thing I did hear is like I feel like it popped a little bit more. Like not actual pops, but like a few little burbles. I feel like I've never heard that before from this car. So maybe that's what it did. But I don't know, I'm not completely 100% sure, so. I'm gonna get some GoPro footage probably for you guys. Do some point of view GoPro footage just for the ending. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one, and let's go do a few pulls and see how it sounds. Car sounds good. I think it sounds deeper to me. I don't know, maybe I'm just imagining that, but to me it sounds deeper. It has like a drone now though. That sucks. I do hear like a drone. I've never heard that before. It's like at a weird RPM though, I guess. So I guess it's not gonna worry about too much. You probably won't even hear it from the inside. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet now so you guys can hear it. Let's hear it from the inside. droney, which I'm kind of disappointed about, but I mean, hopefully the performance outdoes the drone. And I have noticed that these cars are kind of droney once you start doing too much exhaust work, but maybe later on when I get that last section, I'll add like a resonator or something. That's weird. And as always, this is filmed in Mexico, Tijuana, Mexico. So don't worry, this is all on private closed roads. This is so you know, no need to worry about any of that. All filmed in Mexico. And my speedometer is off. It's not correct, so. I'll roll into it. These brakes are low-key done, but that's the next video. I already have the new brake kit sitting in the garage. Just I wanted to do this one before because the brakes are gonna take way longer, so. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Next thing, I got the brake kit for this. I got an R1 concept, so it's the drilled and slotted, and with their upgraded brake pads. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be the next video after this, probably. I think we got some Eclipse content coming soon, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.